Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and I am going to be sharing some spring decluttering videos with you guys throughout the month of April because although most people are gearing up for spring cleaning, I have a lot of decluttering to do before I can get into deep cleaning the house. So that is my focus this April. And I need to thank my patrons because they were the ones who helped me decide what I should be decluttering. I gave them a full tour of all of the messiest areas of my house and they gave me a lot of really great advice. And one thing in particular that one of my patrons shared with me was doing work on the third floor of the home is good to do before it gets too hot out. And today, actually, when I am filming this, we are just headed into April and the days are just starting to get a little bit warmer, thank goodness, because it was a really cold winter here in New Jersey. But she is right, because once we get into the summer months, our third floor can be sweltering. So I think that today is a good day to clean out what is the messiest closet by far and wide in my house. This is like my Monica closet from Friends. It is the closet that everyone shoves everything in. You need to be really careful when you open the door because it's going to be an avalanche of stuff coming at you. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the monstrous closet and then I am going to bring you along with me today as I completely clean it out. This is going to be like a really big job. So I am going to anticipate this is going to take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. It's always interesting to give yourself some type of a guideline in regards to what you think the project is going to be and then compare that to what it actually is. So we'll see. It might take a couple of days. I'm really not quite sure yet. But I am going to get started. So let me show you how absolutely horrible this closet is. We're on our third floor. This is the closet in the hallway. So let me just tell you what this closet used to look like before I show you what it looks like now. You used to be able to walk into it. I had all of my photo albums neatly and chronologically, very orderly on a shelf, or on shelves, I should say. Sorry, I'm like short of breath because I just ran up 3 flights of stairs. I should have caught my breath before I got on the camera. And all of my holiday wrapping paper and birthday party bags and everything were also organized neatly in bins and organizational things that hang. This is where we're at today. Let me give you guys some light so you get the full effect. Yeah, this is what happened. So like I used to be able to actually walk into the closet and you can see here on this shelf were all of my photo albums and things, which they're still back there. They're still pretty well organized. I have my Disney photo albums up top there. Back here is just all gift bags and a bunch of stuff from Emily's room, like old backpacks and things. I think she has a bunch of clothes somewhere under here that she was getting rid of. I think that's what this bin is over here. It's just like, oh my gosh, I can't even get into it. I would have to start from the very front and just start taking things out and figuring out what to do with it all. It's completely insane. You guys can see this is definitely the worst area of my house currently. And on the door here is more like holiday wrapping paper and things. But this gives me so much anxiety right now. Because it was, honestly guys, this was so nicely organized not that long ago. I mean, you were able to see the floor and walk all the way into this closet, all the way to the photo albums. I would be able to walk all the way in and grab a photo album and look at it. Right now, it's not even a possibility. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have made it into the closet. I am actually standing. There's still a box here I have to move, but I made it in. It probably took me about 20 to 30 minutes just to clear all of this out. So yeah, we're getting there. I'm in, so feeling good. Okay, so this is the part where I get incredibly distracted because all of these baskets and bins back here are photographs, and it's really hard to not really look at them all. And look at this. This was rolled up and just kind of stuck here in the corner. Look at how cute this picture is. I guess I had it framed at one point in time and then I replaced it with a more recent picture, but oh, so many cute pictures. This is me and Jim on our honeymoon. We went on a Carnival cruise. And Patrick, when he's so little and cute, it's just, yeah, I have so many old pictures in here. Way back here is our engagement picture. Look at that. So I'm going to be very preoccupied for a little while now going through all of this stuff. And then everything else is pretty much going to stay as is. I have all of my photo albums nicely, oh, sorry, the string is, this is like this long string for the light up here. It's super long and it keeps hitting me in the face. But anyway, I have all of my photo albums pretty well organized. So I'm going to leave everything on the shelves over here as is. And I'm also going to keep this shelf as is. Over here I have my grandmother's old cuckoo clock, and I always think I should bring it somewhere and have it repaired to working order. How cool would that be? It's just been sitting there forever, and I remember always hearing it go off in her house. I have the, I don't want to knock anything down, but I have like the levers here. They look like acorns. So cute. All right, so back to work. Okay, so I thought I would show you kind of how I am organizing all of the stuff that was in the closet. So most of the bins back here are Christmas bags and tissue paper and boxes and things like that. So I'm kind of categorizing bags, boxes. I have wrapping paper over there. And then that red bin is stuff that I need to donate. This bag here is stuff that I need to donate. Here I have like emergency gifts. So in these two bins, I have things that I can give as gifts if I am in a pinch and I can't get out to the store. And over here, I have more gift bags. I think I might need to donate some gift bags because it's just way too excessive. And then over here, I started to organize all of the kids' pictures. So like, this is like family pictures. And then I have Madison, Emily, Patrick. I'm pulling out some antiques that I found in here, some old photographs and things that I just want to display in the house. And then in this bin back here, I also have a lot of like antique-y types of things. I have old pictures that are so pretty. I just don't know where to hang them right now. And some of these items, it's like toiletries from the 1800s, like legit toiletry boxes and things from maybe the turn of the century. So I put some of those in my bedroom, which I'll show you in a little bit. And these I'm just gonna still hoard in here for now. And then I think I'm going to use this basket again for all of the pictures that are framed, and I'll just try to make it a little bit more organized this time. And here's the floor. Wow. And here are the items that I relocated. So these were just antiques that I had in my closet upstairs. This is really old talcum powder, and so is this one. How pretty is this? So these things were just like being stored away in bins, and they're so pretty just to put them out. And then I think these old-fashioned photographs look really pretty on the mantle in my bedroom, so that worked out really well. Okay guys, we're going to see the final reveal. Now keep in mind, it's still a storage closet, so there are things in here, but it's not nearly as bad as it was. So I organized this contraption a little bit. That's just where I keep some of my holiday wrapping stuff. And then going in, okay, so I can walk into the closet. That's the important part. I can get to the back of the closet if I need to. So we'll start in the corner here. What I did was I organized all of my, these are all of my Christmas gift bags, Christmas gift boxes. And then here I just have bags that I use for grocery shopping and things, just reusable bags. And they're like my nice ones that I don't want to ever get rid of. And these two bins at the bottom are memory keeping bins for me and my husband. So there's just like random high school stuff, varsity jackets, probably a cheerleading uniform in there. I don't even know, but that's something we've just had forever. And then in this corner here, I have the gift items, my emergency gifts, and then you saw the basket. The basket has all of our family pictures that were framed, and then our old camcorder. And I have some old, whatever those little tapes are that go along with it that I would like to switch over to digital someday. And then here I have some extra baskets I use for storing things. And then on this side of the closet, so this is all of our birthday bags and birthday wrapping paper. And then the boxes underneath are actually for my job. So the bottom box are just little drawstring bags and beach bags and things that I give away to clients. And then these two boxes are just propaganda, like magazines for when I do shows and stuff for the travel agency. And then in here I have more additional wrapping paper for next Christmas. So I just put everything in here so that it'll stay nice for next year. And I mean, that's pretty much it. I got rid of so much stuff. And again, all of my photo albums are nicely organized on this shelf and will stay there. But it is so much better. And I am just happy that I can now walk into this closet. I know it doesn't look Pinterest worthy, but trust me, for me, coming from complete chaos and the inability to even see what was in here, now everything's organized. I can easily walk in, and when I'm doing my wrapping for the holidays, I know everything is coordinated and in its place, so it's going to be super easy to get to. If I have a birthday party or something that I forgot to get a gift for, I know I can just walk right in and grab it from that basket. Super easy. And that is it. So I'm so happy I finished. It took 2 45-minute videos that I listened to on YouTube, so actually it was not too bad. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this video inspired you to go ahead and tackle the worst closet in your house. Just like find a good podcast or listen to a good YouTube. That's what I did. One of your favorite YouTube channels, and just listening to it and listening to the conversation, even if you're not necessarily watching it, helps the time go by so quickly. So I'm so glad that I got this done with. I have a few bags that are going to donation, which is great. I threw out a whole bunch of stuff and we are in a way better place. And that's going to be it for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Again, thank you to my patrons for all of your advice in regards to what I should be decluttering. Stay tuned next week. I have a really good video coming your way. We're gonna keep on this. I'm gonna just keep it going throughout the month of April. So decluttering at its best. All right guys, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.